In today's video, we're diving into ChatGPT, which can help you create compelling and persuasive product reviews. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves sharing their thoughts on products, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step is to set the scene for your product review. It's important to know who your audience is and what they care about most in a product. Are they interested in durability, affordability, design, or functionality? Now let's use ChatGPT to help us craft the perfect setup. So here's the prompt that I put together. Let's say, ChatGPT, I need to write a product review for a new smartphone. My audience is tech enthusiasts who value cutting edge features and design. Can you provide an engaging introduction that sets the scene for this review? Then, let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work from this. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided a captivating introduction right here, tailored to our target audience. So this sets a strong foundation for the rest of the review. Pretty cool. Next, we'll highlight the key features of the product. This is where you showcase what makes the product stand out. Be specific and detailed. Now let's ask ChatGPT again to help us with this. ChatGPT, I need to highlight the key features of a new smartphone. Can you list the top 5 features such as its quality camera, battery life, display, processing power, and unique design elements? Now let's see how this goes with ChatGPT responding. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has provided, as it currently processes, a detailed list of the smartphone's top features. This includes specifics about the following features that I asked through the prompt that I sent over. Here we go, display, battery life, camera quality. It has topics right here, sub bullet points right here, pro-grade video recording, then battery life with wireless charging, display, edge-to-edge design, then processing power, ample RAM, unique design elements, premium build. Yeah, so highlighting these features will help your audience understand what makes this product special. Pretty cool. Personal experience adds credibility to your review. Sharing your own thoughts and feelings about the product can make your review more relatable and trustworthy. Let's ask ChatGPT once again to help us craft a personal experience narrative. So here's the prompt that I put together. ChatGPT, based on the features you listed, can you draft a paragraph describing a positive personal experience with this smartphone? And let's see how ChatGPT would respond. As it's currently processing, here ChatGPT has provided a vivid and engaging personal experience. This paragraph right here, there we go, highlights how the smartphone's features positively impacted the user's daily life, making it more relatable to the audience. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Comparing the product with its competitors can provide valuable context for your readers. Highlighting what makes this product better or different helps your audience make an informed decision. Let's use ChatGPT again to create a comparison. Now, for instance, here's what I asked. ChatGPT, compare the new smartphone with the latest model from its top competitor. Focus on its quality, camera quality, battery life, and price itself. And let's see how this goes with ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided a comprehensive comparison between two smartphones. It highlights key differences and similarities in camera quality, battery life, and price, giving your audience a clear picture of how this new smartphone stands out. See? Every product has its strengths and weaknesses. Listing pros and cons helps provide a balanced review. Now let's ask ChatGPT again to help us create a detailed pros and cons list for this smartphone that we're planning. Here we go. This is what I asked. ChatGPT, create a pros and cons list for the new smartphone based on the features and personal experience we've discussed. So let's see how this goes based on what I asked through this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated right here a thorough pros and cons list highlighting the key strengths and potential drawbacks of the smartphone that we're planning. This balanced perspective will help your audience make an informed decision. See, as you can see right here, it's quite detailed, despite it has very few words. There we go. And yeah. Finally, wrap up your review with a conclusion and recommendation. Should your audience buy this product? Why or why not? Let's see how ChatGPT could help us draft a compelling conclusion. So here's what I asked. ChatGPT, write a conclusion for the smartphone review, recommending it to tech enthusiasts who value high performance and sleek design. So let's see. Here, ChatGPT has crafted a persuasive conclusion emphasizing the smartphone's high performance and sleek design. This recommendation helps guide your audience towards making an informed purchase decision. Here we go. These are all the features that are mentioned here. Here we go. The summary, aiming for tech enthusiasts. And yeah, once you have your draft, it's time to polish your review. Read through it. Through all of it that ChatGPT had generated everything right from the start, depending and everything that you asked through all those prompts right here, then make necessary edits and ensure it flows well, just to make sure. So ChatGPT can also help with refining the text. So let's see how it can enhance our review. So here's what I asked. ChatGPT, can you help me refine and polish this product review to make it more engaging and persuasive? So here we go. Here we go. This is how ChatGPT has restructured and put them all together with each that generated that depended on what you asked. So ChatGPT right here has improved the flow and engagement of our review as it currently processes right here, see, making it more compelling for our audience. So remember, a well-polished review not only informs, but also captivates your readers. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, generating persuasive product reviews is easier than ever. Remember to personalize your prompts and review the output to ensure it matches your voice and your style for the product that you're promoting for. Have a great day, everyone.